Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit photos in 𝗗cie𝘗ощ using Adobe Lightroom for iPad. Here is an example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
First go to light. Contrast to -50. Highlights to -30. Shadows to +20. Whites to -25. And blacks to -60. Go to curve. Next go to color. Temperature to +10. -10 for vibrance. And saturation to -15. Go to color mix. Saturation to -25. Luminance to +20. Next go to orange. Hue to -5. Saturation to +20. Luminance to +20. Go to yellow. Saturation to -20. And luminance to +15. Go to green. Hue to -20. Saturation to -45. And luminance to -25. Next go to aqua. Saturation to -25. And luminance to -15. Go to blue. Hue to -45. Saturation to -30. Luminance to -20. Next go to Effect. Clarity to +15. Dehaze to +20. Go to split toning. Bring the cube to 19 and saturation to 11 for shadows. Bring the cube to 20 and saturation to 6 for shadows. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo copy setting.
You could